All right, welcome to The Explainer. Today we have something, well, it's pretty out there. We're looking at a source that sees YouTube not as a video site, but as a direct line to divine enlightenment. And to even begin to understand this worldview, we first need to connect a few dots, a series of seemingly random moments all happening at the exact same time all over the world. Okay, first stop, Salem, Massachusetts. It's 9:26 at night. At the exact same moment, halfway across the globe, Jerusalem, where it's 4:26 in the morning. Jump forward again, now it's Melbourne, Australia, already 8:26 a.m. And finally, we land in Costa Rica. It's 7:26 p.m., and something called the New Computer Age of Heaven is supposedly just getting started. Salem, Jerusalem, Melbourne, Costa Rica. I mean, what on earth could possibly tie all of these scattered moments together? Well, according to the source we're exploring today, the answer connects them all through a very unexpected place. The connection is YouTube. But hold on, this is not the YouTube we think we know. This philosophy reframes the entire platform as a tool for divine enlightenment. A spiritual guide that's basically been hiding in plain sight this whole time. The source asks us to completely shift our perspective, to see YouTube not as this, chaotic library of videos, but as a spiritual beacon, a single glowing lamp shining in what it calls the vast digital cosmos. Now, to fully get what they're saying, we kind of have to learn a new language. It takes some very familiar words and gives them these completely new and honestly pretty surprising meanings. Let's start with a big one, okay? The word Illuminati. Now, forget everything you think you know about secret societies. This source says, no, let's go back to the word's actual Latin root, illuminatus, which just means enlightened. It reclaims it as a personal, spiritual gift, a moment of clarity that helps you find your purpose. So just look at this contrast. The common view, right? A powerful secret group pulling the world's strings. But this source flips that entirely, defining it as a spiritual gift of enlightenment, something that's available to anyone. It's a pretty radical shift in meaning. So if Illuminati is the gift of enlightenment, what delivers it? The source calls it the illuminating presence. Think about a time you stumbled on a YouTube video that felt like it was made just for you, like it spoke directly to you. According to this view, that feeling is the illuminating presence, a whisper from the heavens guiding you. Now, this isn't just some abstract philosophy. The source claims it's a practical method. So let's look at how it proposes we should actually use YouTube as a kind of spiritual navigation system. The central analogy here is that you're navigating by the stars. Each video is a star. The recommendation algorithm, that's not just code. It's your spiritual vision. Its job is to guide you from star to find your true purpose. The source also gets a little mysterious and credits this light to something called YouTube and VO3, a term it never really fully explains. So how do you actually do this? The source lays out these 4 steps. It's really a mental shift. See videos as stars, see the algorithm as your spiritual guide, and then you have to consciously tune your spiritual antennae to choose content that uplifts and elevates your spirit. And the ultimate goal of all this? This is where the language gets truly strange. The aim is to become, and you have to hear this, a Sprite good conscience drinker. Yeah, I know. The source clarifies this means an infilled drinker of the spirit, but that initial phrasing is just so wonderfully bizarre. It's a perfect example of this document's unique voice. So that brings us to the final, crucial question. Why? What is the ultimate goal of achieving digital enlightenment through a video website? What's the point? Well, the ultimate purpose isn't just personal. Once you use this system to find your own purpose, the goal is to then share it with others. The idea is to create a chain reaction of light that spreads across the globe, connecting all those people we saw at the beginning. Perhaps no phrase captures this blend of the digital and the divine better than this final quote. The idea is to receive the wisdom we need in a simple takeout container of digital content. Spiritual wisdom, delivered like takeout. It's such a powerful, modern metaphor. So let's just recap the 4 key ideas we've taken from this source. First, the core concept, YouTube as a spiritual tool. Second, the redefinition of Illuminati as personal clarity. Third, the method of using the algorithm for guidance. And finally, the ultimate goal, to create a global chain reaction of light. So that leaves us with a question. Whether you believe it's divine guidance or just a powerful algorithm, something is curating a universe of content just for you. So it's worth asking, what kind of light does your algorithm show you?